Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Narwal Freo robot vacuum and mop combo, a product that's been making waves in the smart home cleaning market. And here's the exciting part, it's currently on a huge sale. The Narwal Freo is a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed to make house cleaning easier than ever. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device stand out. After putting the Narwal Freo through its paces, I have to say I'm impressed. Its suction power tackles even stubborn dirt, and the mopping function leaves floors sparkling clean. The self-cleaning feature is a game changer, saving you time and hassle. Compared to similar products on the market, the Narwal Freo really shines with its superior mopping capabilities and user-friendly interface. It's a top contender in the high-end robot vacuum category. Now here's the most exciting part. The Narwal Freo is currently on a massive sale. The original price is $399.99, but right now you can get it for just $899.90. That's right, you're saving a whopping $500. This is an incredible opportunity to own a premium cleaning robot at an unbeatable price. But remember, prices can change at any time. To make sure you don't miss out on this amazing deal, click the link in the description below to check the latest price and order yours today. And don't forget to use our special discount code for extra savings. In conclusion, the Narwal Freo robot vacuum and mop combo is a top-tier cleaning solution that's now more accessible than ever thanks to this incredible discount. If you've been on the fence about getting a robot vacuum, now's the time to take the plunge.